So now we're going to go through the figure 4 stretch. So this stretch is going to help to change the external rotation of your pelvis. So oftentimes if there's a rotation in your pelvis, one side might be tighter than the other. Now all the stretches I give you, we always do them on both sides. So to get into this position, lie on your back. This can actually be done in bed. It doesn't necessarily need to be done on a hard surface. When you're on your back, you want to have both of your knees bent up like this. You're going to take one of those legs and you're going to pop it over the other leg. So you're actually allowing your hip to drop out to the side. From here, you'll notice if you look down, there's a little triangle shape between your legs, and you're going to take your arm and you're going to put it through that triangle. From here, you grab a hold of the opposite leg. So you can hold on top of the knee like this, or underneath the knee, or whatever is comfortable for you. From here, you want to pull that leg in towards your body. You should start to feel a nice stretch through the side of the buttocks down here. Things that will reduce that stretch is if you roll to the side. That's going to reduce the stretch, so make sure your knee that is up is pointing directly towards the ceiling. That's going to help increase that stretch. The more you bring it in, the more intense the stretch will be. I will also then show you an alternative for if you cannot get into this position, if this is painful for any reason to get into, or if you're just unable to reach your knee, we'll show you some other options. So this is the alternative if you are for any reason unable to grab a hold of your knee in the other position. So maybe you've got some lower back pain or something like this, or just some inflexibility issues. So what you do is you put one leg up on the wall, roughly about 90 degrees is a good way to do it. Bring the other leg across and let it open out to the side. This way you should start to feel that stretch. If for any reason you're not feeling that stretch, you can move yourself closer towards the wall. So now I've moved closer, still at roughly about 90 degrees, or the same height of the knee as the ankle, and then sitting down, and I can now start to feel that stretch into the hips there as well. So the aim is to have a stretch here. Holding both of these stretches, or whichever version you're doing, for about 30 seconds to a minute, and you're gonna do both sides.